Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the GRVT airdrop and the ZkSync era airdrop on the GRVT centralized exchange. Now GRVT is basically a self-custodian centralized exchange. Now I know most of you have been disappointed with the ZkSync era airdrop, but still there are decent opportunities out there using different DeFi applications in order to get the ZK airdrop. Now GRVT is going to give 100% of the allocation to the community back as airdrop. Now if we go ahead and check this data over here, as you can see GRVT has received close to 2.45 million ZK tokens in total, which they are planning to give it back to the community. Now in order to create an account on GRVT, you will need to have an invite code or invite link. Now I will put my invite code and invite link in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to actually create an account on GRVT if you don't have one. Now for some reason they have increased the weekly quota of mine. I think it's applicable for everyone from 10 to 20. So please feel free to sign up using my referral link as it really supports my channel. Now first we'll be talking about the GRVT reward and then we'll come to ZK rewards over here. So basically for GRVT rewards there are three parts. First one is the ecosystem reward, which is ongoing thing. So basically you can go ahead and invite your friends in order to create an account on GRVT. Now please note that the GRVT drop would be based on the friends you invite and as well as the friends that actually trade on GRVT. So it's better to have quality invites as compared to quantity invites. Now as you can see they had this three phase over here. So phase 0 is officially over and phase 1 is ongoing, and then they would be coming up with phase 2 soon. Now my total points are like 720 and I am ranked like 3300 something odd out of 2.4 million people in total. Now here you will need to earn more points in order to get more GRVT rewards. Now I will explain all of this. So there is this trader reward as well as liquidity provider reward. Now if we go to Gitbook of GRVT over here, as you can see in total they would be doing 11% of the overall supply of GRVT as airdrop to the community. So the first one is ecosystem reward, which is this one. So as you can see they have mentioned that the points are based on direct and indirect invite count and also under trading activity of your direct and indirect invites. And for ecosystem rewards, a total of 3% of the GRVT supply is available. Now the second one is trader reward. So 4% of GRVT total supply would be applicable for the trader reward. So basically the more you trade on GRVT, the more points you earn and more GRVT rewards you would be getting. Similarly, there is something called as liquidity provider reward, which is also 4%, which is similar to trader reward. And this would also depend on the amount of liquidity that you provide on the GRVT platform. So in total, we can expect 11% of this supply over here for GRVT airdrop. Now let's get into ZK airdrop over here. So ZK would also have a similar thing. So if we go down over here, as you can see they have this deposit trading activity, and also there is something called as these boxes over here, which are GRVT boxes. Now there are some rarity levels of these boxes over here. So as you can see they have this 10 different tiers of rarity. Now rarity 1 is the most rarest one, so which is legendary 2, and the probability of getting this is only like 0.1%. So my current box is like uncommon one, which falls over here, which is in rarity 8, 12.51, and I hopefully get this legendary 2 boxes. So basically all you have to do is once you have an account on GRVT, you have to complete this simple task over here and get this raffle tickets and also these boxes. Now you have the option to upgrade these boxes once you have invited minimum of 2 friends over here. So as you can see I haven't completed this, but if someone signs up using my referral link, I would be able to go ahead and potentially upgrade my box. And then you can go ahead and open this box once the epoch 1 begins on GRVT. Now we are not sure when this epoch 1 will begin, but I think it should be by end of this month, and hopefully I get a decent upgrade on my box. Now this box will contain ZK tokens most probably. Now apart from this there are this deposit activity and trading activity. Now please note that in order to actually go ahead and claim your ZK drop on GRVT, you will need to trade a minimum of $100 on GRVT centralized exchange. So if you go ahead and check the ZK reward program over here and go a bit down over here, as you can see, there is you will need to go ahead and trade at least 100 USDT to claim ZK tokens based on your total ZK points, which is redeemable monthly. So basically they want people to go ahead and trade on their GRVT centralized exchange over here. And if we talk about the trade, as you can see, there is perpetual, there is options, then there is RFQ, and then there is trading arcade. Now all of this would be coming soon in the future. Now if we talk about the ZK reward program over here, as you can see, they have mentioned how the mystery boxes work, and then there is two epochs. Basically the first epoch is like deposits and trade. Now more the deposit that you do on GRVT, the more points you earn. Similarly, the same thing with trading. Now more you trade on GRVT, more points you would be earning and more ZK drops you would be getting. Now considering 2.4 million, I think this should be a decent airdrop. I'm not sure how much would be the allocation based on the boxes rarity as well as this deposit and summary and trading activity on GRVT. So this is all for this video with regards to 2-in-1 airdrop, which is ZkSync and also GRVT. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.